Hi everyone! Today, we'll learn how to make a beautiful paper snowflake. Easy, quick, and simple. Take a rectangular sheet of paper, such as printer paper, a 4 or letter. Place the paper so the long side is closer to you. Find the bottom left corner and bring it up to the top edge of the paper. Fold the paper to create a large triangle. Press firmly along the fold. Now take scissors and cut off the excess paper on the right side. Find the bottom corner on the right side. Fold it up to the top left corner. Press firmly along the fold. Then take the top right corner and fold it to the left corner. Press along the fold. Take the right side and fold it to the left side. Press the fold firmly. Take a pencil and draw a pattern on the paper. Cut along the drawn lines with scissors. If you find it difficult to cut out this snowflake, you will find a tip later in the video on how to make it easier. Unfold the paper, and you will have a wonderful snowflake. To make the snowflake flat, place it under a book or something heavy for a while. Cutting tips. To make cutting the winter decoration easier, unfold the paper and start cutting a layer of paper near the pattern. Then, return the template to its original position and cut out the remaining layers of paper.